Today we're making cinnamon rolls. Here's the thing about cinnamon rolls. They're a time commitment, but the payoff is huge because they are ooey gooey delicious. Your children will love you more and you're gonna feel like a rock star. Eggs, butter, sugar, all going in the milk with the yeast. I do add a little cinnamon though, that's different. I blogged the whole recipe on the dashleyskitchen.com. It's all there for you step by step. This is when it turns into dough. This part's really boring. Just knead it together for like 5 minutes. A lot of people have a KitchenAid to do this, like a mixer. I don't. I just really like to touch it. See how it's kind of getting bouncy? The dough's ready. I like to put it on a little heating pad, cover it up. It usually takes like 30 minutes to double. We have the filling. You got butter that's mostly melted. Boom, sugar. This has extra sugar. Cinnamon and a tiny bit of clove for fun. Squish it up. Did you know the difference between a cinnamon roll and a cinnamon bun is that buns have nuts or raisins in them? Beautiful. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Plop. Just get it. Oh, so soft. It's a good dough. I'm trying to make this be about 24 by 15 inches. Sprinkle this on. Doesn't have to be perfect. You just kind of try and get it evenly spread out.
Rolling it up. Gotta make that nice swirl. If it's a bad swirl, I send it back.
I just want to be Star Baker. I just try and kind of pinch it shut so she doesn't unroll on me. And then I put that on the bottom. Spray your pan. This recipe makes 12 cinnamon rolls. This is the secret ingredient. A half cup of warm cream poured over. It just keeps it so perfectly soft. Cover them up, let them rise for about 20 minutes, then put it in the oven and bake another 20 minutes at 375. Ready to make the best frosting you've ever tasted? Powdered sugar, cream cheese, butter, and maple. I'm gonna tell you this, maple frosting is superior to vanilla. A half tablespoon. The maple gives it like a cozy vibe. I get so nervous when we film these, but they look perfect.
How are they?
They're still hot. No one has time to wait. Oh my gosh.
Is this content allowed for all ages? This looks so good. Oh.
It's so perfect. My grandchildren will definitely talk about this. Best bite for you.
Holy cow.